Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we have changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to show you how to keep your Formuler device streaming free and some other tips that we can share on this great Sunday afternoon. Let's get it. Hey guys, it's Jeff once again from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. I'm back. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxman.com. Okay, so before we get into the video, I appreciate everyone going to theboxman.com. I do have two other websites that I rarely ever mention, and I think I'm going to do a video on how to get the best out of them. So for instance, theboxman.com is for someone that wants to pay upfront for everything. That means they're going to find out what it's all about, like the value, and pay upfront. TheStreamMachines.com has similar devices, but you can make payments on that website. In other words, I'm just trying out something different because I want to make sure that we give you options on each one. So if you can pay up front, great. But if you need payments and we can spread over the payments over maybe, I don't know, 6 months, whatever it might be, then we're able to do that. That's not a problem. But in this video, let's take a look at how we can keep your Formuler device streaming absolutely flawless, amongst other things. So I'm going to be using the Z11 Pro Max only because lately I've been getting a lot of feedback that people think that the Z11 Pro Max has bugs. Has bugs that are so bad that you can't use it. I'm going to take some time just to go through that and show you what this manufacturer does a great job, better than a lot of manufacturers. There's, to me, and I'm biased, or I could be, there is no better device than any Formuler. I can take the Formuler Z10 SE and it will function and run better than the best NVIDIA Shield, the NVIDIA Shield. Hands down, 100%. I don't care what anyone says, because I've had both of those devices, and the most inexpensive Formuler device beats an NVIDIA Shield and other devices on the market. So let's take a look at what we need to do. I like the fact there's two ways you can find out if you have what I call a software update. You can go down to the very bottom on the home page where it says software update, and if there's a number there in red, you need to do a software update. Why is that, Jeff? Well, for those that have been on Amazon and have seen those 5 different people say there's bugs everywhere, if you're doing a software updates removes bugs. So if you were to click on this, it would tell you exactly what this update is going to do. It fixes all the bug fixes, optimizations, and performance enhancements, amongst everything that's there. So if I pressed OK to run that, it would run the update. The second way you can find the update to keep your Formuler device running smooth is to go to My TV Online 3. And I'm already in the breaking news here, so I'm going to hit this here. Let me go back. I'm going to go down to where it says notifications and press OK. In the notifications, it will let you know if you have new content from some of your providers, but also you'll see software update available. Okay? And if you see the content, I have new content on my Purple Rain, my Hulk Smash, my Orange, and my Blue. Those are all the services that I have on this device. So if I do the software update here, it should go ahead and go to the version check, showing you the same thing that I did before, but this time I'm going to press OK, and you can see that the update is doing what it does very quickly based on your internet speed. And for someone to say that formulars always have bugs or this device has bugs, you wouldn't be quite wrong since it's a brand new device, less than 6 months old. But this device is probably their most expensive, most powerful, and has the best functionality for My TV Online 3, their innate application that's on only on this device. So I'm going to let it go ahead and finish. This is the first way you keep your Formular device running at an optimal level. How? Do the software updates. And these updates go on to the Formular Z10s with, or whatever it might be, Z8s, alphas. All their brands have a software update. Even My TV Online 1. Okay? And that's one thing I love about Formular. From the top to the bottom, everything gets updated software-wise. Okay. Once this is done, we're about at the 5-minute mark. It's going to do a final integrity check. And then I think it's just going to go ahead and it's going to prepare the Android system to do the update package. You see it's running very smooth, kind of like your phones. This is what I love this. It has the same similarities as doing or here. All right. So I have just updated my Z11 Pro Max on the software side, and now it's installing the system update. So as you can see, the process isn't taking long in real time. It's not, you could have walked away and got something to eat, whatever it might be, and come back and it would have been done. Either way, this is a great unit for a lot of different reasons. Looks like I may have stalled out a little bit. I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes. I always try to do these in real time, so you can see that your struggle is truly my struggle as well. There it goes. Showing the Z11 Pro Max insignia. Should take us right back to the home page. Bum 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 bum. And there's the form. I like that a lot. So now that the software is update, it's got a lot of the bug fixes. There was some green screen when you were looking at certain on-demand stuff on your own time, and that should have fixed that. But now you're done. That is how you keep your device, the Formular device, running at an optimal level. So let's go back to My TV Online 3, and it should open up. Hopefully it opens up on the AccuWeather, which that's where it was before. And then we'll close out the video. I just wanted to show this in real time. You'll see I got some new content there, and it came right back to AccuWeather, and that's really cool. So as you can see, I put it right back into the guide, AccuWeather is there. Everything is back the way it was. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It's been a pleasure making it for you. We do still have, I'm going to start putting in our videos places where you can buy the best boxes for the best prices. You can see some of the videos on the YouTube channel, or you can go to different social media outlets or channels that we have. That would be Odyssey, and different like Rumble, and we have different channels and stuff that we show other places. Even our website, we're starting to put some stuff there. But at any rate, thank you so much for tuning in on how to keep your Formuler running at an optimal level. Click the links below to find the videos on these things and to get the best coupon codes for the deals. We are selling these devices at a very inexpensive rate, and we would love to talk to you about it. Give us a